So here we are again. This time I got a nice little tripod to show you guys with no cordage needed. All you need is some Y branches. So we're going to deconstruct this so that you can see. Nice little firewood carrier. Had no problem holding the saw. One Y branch. Two more Y branches. There you go, folks. Not bad. Pretty simple. Requires no cordage. Make it as sturdy as you want. You can put another Y branch over there to make it even more sturdier. You're only limited by the quality of your wood and the size that you want to use. So this is Joe Prophet. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy, guys.